to fix SoundCloud uploads not proceeding. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply check your audio format and file size. Make sure that the file that you are trying to upload is not uncompressed or standard audio format. For example, it could be WAV, MP3, or FLAC under 4 GB, right? So after doing that, now you can try to use a desktop web version if you're using the application. Avoid uploading through the mobile web browser and use the Chrome or Firefox on PC or Mac, right? So after doing all of these, if still did not work, then try to disable all of the extension. If you're using any sort of browser extension, then turn off that browser extension, especially the ads or script blockers during the upload, right? So after doing all of that, if that did not work, then lastly try to clear all of the transcoding backlog, delete all the stock draft upload from the profile track list, and then attempt a fresh upload. And after doing all of that, I'm pretty sure that you will be able to fix your SoundCloud uploads not proceeding.